Hello everyone and Happy New Year! Okay, before I do this recipe or start on this recipe, I just want to say a big thank you for all your support over the past few months. I really appreciate you. And if this is your first time here, thank you for joining and you're welcome. But please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any uploads. I'll be making cranberry fool today. More info and details is on the description box. Please don't forget to check that. So let's get started. Pour the cranberry into a pan. Add sugar. Now I'm going to stir this frequently and consistently so it doesn't burn. And I'm going to do this until the cranberry pops and is really soft. Once that's done, I'm going to scoop them or spoon all of them into a bowl and then blend to puree. It looks slightly thick, so feel free to add water to the consistency that you want, but I won't mind the way it is. Now let's make our sauce. In a pan, add half of the milk followed by the flour. I prefer wicks because it helps me control mixtures like this, but you can use anything you want, guys. I'm gonna whisk this and then add the other half of the milk. Whisk again. Once this is done, heat on the hob. But I'm not gonna stop stirring. I'm gonna stir this so it doesn't form any lump or anything. As you can see, it nearly did. Switch off the heating and then mix till it's nice and smooth. It's creamily smooth. Look at that. Mind you guys, the sauce gets thicker when chilled, so feel free to add in more milk to the consistency that you want. Now that the sauce is ready, serve it along with the cranberry and voila! Cranberry fool is ready. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Enjoy and Happy New Year again. Bye.